Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your Monopoly Go account. So let's get started. So now here we are on Monopoly Go, and from here to recover your account, what you need to do is log in into your account first. So that is very important. So you must not be signed in as guest. Once you're there, then you would want to tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right. And from here, tap on settings. And now tap on customer service. And then from here, tap on deletion or account right here. So you want to tap on this one. And then from here, you can just go for how do I transfer my progress to a new device? So let's just choose this option. Or you could also choose the others if this is not available for you anymore. So once you're here, what you want to do is scroll down until you see the chat with us button right here under need more help. So tap on it. And from here, you will now be redirected to the customer service of Monopoly Go, and this is where you can recover your account. So all you have to do is just explain your situation. So, hi, my account has been compromised, if that is your case, or you are not able to log in on it anymore. So compromised, and I am not able to log in anymore on my other device. Maybe something like this one right here. So in this way, you should be really specific on your situations. So you don't have to copy what I'm saying right here. You would want it to be describing your exact situation. So make sure to use your own words. Just explain everything that has happened and why you can access your account anymore. So yeah, and the Monopoly Go customer service would help you in retrieving that account. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.